Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie in the video game outfit and dress to impress. Yes, I did use VIP for this, and I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. Grab this hair from the dressing rooms in no bangs in this color, EEB 670, no adjustments made. Grab this in bangs only, color it this color, and position the X the same Y.48, Z.44, and scale it to 0.4. For the necklace, I used this one in the second toggle here. Position the Y.4, Z.42, and I colored it this yellow, FFBF19 and FF747, sorry, 4C7. Then I used this top here in this color in matte. It's the FF4580, and then I used this top in this blue in silk, and then I used this yellow, and then this blue in silk again, and then I think I don't remember what I did blue, and then I'm going to do blue again here. Grab this top in blue in silk. Grab this skirt in the second toggle in this pink color. Then I grab this from VIP in this first in silk, and then the rest in, I think I did the cat pattern. You can use this pattern, but I think the cat pattern suits it the most somehow. And then for the knee pads, I just used this in type 3 in my skin color. Use this for the knee pad in white and matte. And then for the shoes, I also used a VIP item, which is this. I colored the first color white, the second one this green, 7EBC56, the third one pink in matte. And then I did gray for the soles. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.